Hi, Liz Beavers with Graphic Solutions Group, and what I want to introduce to you today is the ZSK shoe frame. The ZSK shoe frame is very unique, and we can actually adjust it for different size shoes or openings. I also use this for other projects as well, which I'll tell you about here in a minute. In this case, on this soccer cleat, maybe right here we can actually put the number of the person that belongs to the shoe, or maybe some initials. You can actually widen this up as far as the shoe opening allows. Now, it's good and sturdy. It's not going to shake when it's on your ZSK embroidery machine, and it's going to keep perfect registration. Now, for other projects, we're going to lift up these arms to remove the shoe. And as you can see, it's nice. It's a good area here for really thick substrates. But I use it for more than just shoes. I can also widen, or I can take it in this way. Here's the full opening capabilities. You can put in mats in here. You can make it shorter, and you can do gloves. I actually did a pair of gloves using the shoe frame. So you just loosen up the knobs, scoot it over. It does have a centering point right here, and you just go, tackle your jobs, clamp it shut, and you're done. So if you'd like to have more information on the ZSK shoe clamp, give us a call here at Graphic Solutions Group. Thank you.